Introducing my brand new cordless vacuum cleaner, the Gtech Pro.
Look at this. It's got a bag. It's amazing.
Easy, clean, you don't want to mess with that dirt and stuff.
A bag.
I was building up to that.
Still want to do a little demo?
Yes, please. 2 power settings, Eco and Max, give up to 40 minutes runtime.
Yes, Nick. High performance cleaning on all your carpets.
No settings to change for hard floors. So easy to use on the stairs. Ideal for dusting.
Come on.
Perfect for cleaning cars and caravans. And yes, it even picks up embedded pet hair.
Everyone already knows how wonderfully versatile Gtech vacuum cleaners are. But bagged, brilliant.
It's only a vacuum.
No, it's genius.
The Gtech Pro is $249.99 with free delivery. Call now or order online.